Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss criteria for the similarity of triangle. Before this theorem we have discussed that what are the BPT theorem and its converse, and after that we have discussed the angle bisector theorem, and we have also discussed some of the results based on the BPT theorems. Now today we are going to discuss criteria for similarity of the triangle, that when we will say that two triangles are similar. You see, in general we have discussed that whenever two triangles having all equal angles, means if this angle is equal to this one, this angle is equal to this one, and this angle is equal to this one, then the triangles are similar to each other. अगर दो triangle के तीनों angle एक दूसरे के equal हो, then we will say the triangles are similar by AAA criteria. Or the second thing is, if the sides of the triangles are proportional, that if it is given that AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR, then also we will say the triangles are similar by SSS. So this is the general method. If two triangles are equiangular, then also they are similar, and if two triangles have their sides in equal proportion, then also they are similar. But beside that how it's happened, so let us discuss it as the theorem. So first criteria for similarity of triangle is AAA, theorem 1, that is AAA similarity. So according to this theorem, if in the two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are also proportional, and hence the triangles are similar. Okay, so here it is given that we have two triangles A, B, C, and suppose P, Q, R, and this is given that they are equiangular. Okay, it is given that angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. We need to prove that they are similar. So as we know that when two triangles have all the angle equal to each other as well as their sides are also in proportion, then only we will say that these two triangles are similar. So here it is given that angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. What we need to prove? We have to prove that if AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to PR by AC, then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. अगर हम ऐसा प्रूफ कर दें कि इनके तीनों साइड्स भी प्रोपोर्शन में है, इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल जो है वो सिमिलर है. तो फॉर दिस व्हाट वी विल डू अ कंस्ट्रक्शन. वी विल टेक अ पॉइंट D and E here in such a way that this AB is equals to DP and this AC is equals to PE. So here I am doing the construction. Take point D and E in such a way that AB equals to PD and AC equals to PE. Okay. Now see, in triangle ABC and triangle PDE, since AB is equals to PD, AC is equals to PE, and angle A equals to angle P, this is given. So can we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PDE by SAS? AB PD के इक्वल है, AC PE के इक्वल है, और एंगल A और P इक्वल दिया हुआ था. So we can say this triangle ABC is similar, congruent to triangle PDE by SAS. Congruency we have done in the previous class, so I think you all are aware with that. Okay. Now since these two triangles are congruent, so now we can say that this angle the side BC is also equals to D, as well as this angle B is equals to D and C is equals to A. So here we can say that angle B equals to angle D, angle C is equals to angle E, and BC equals to DE by CPCT. I hope this much is clear to you. Now I'm erasing this part. Okay, so now see, it was given that angle B is equals to Q, and now we have proved that angle B is equals to T. पहले से ये गिवन था कि B Q के इक्वल है, और अभी हमने प्रूफ किया कि B D के इक्वल है. इट इम्प्लाइज दैट एंगल D इक्वल्स टू Q, यानी हम कह सकते हैं कि ये D और Q भी इक्वल है. सिमिलरली earlier it was given that angle C is equals to angle R, and now we have proved that angle C is equals to angle E. It means now angle E is equals to angle R. Now see here, since D and Q are equal, E and R are equal, corresponding angles are equal, it means this line DE is parallel to QR. So since corresponding angles are equal, we can say DE is parallel to QR. तो ये प्रूफ हुआ कि DE और QR क्या है, पैरेलल. ठीक है, चलो, I hope you have written this much. Now since this DE is parallel to QR, can we say this PD by PQ equals to PE by PR equals to DE by QR? क्या हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं? By BPT theorem. By BPT theorem, since DE is parallel to QR, we can say PD by PQ equals to PE by PR equals to DE by QR. Now, this PD we have taken equal to AB. So, in place of PD, we can write AB by PQ. PE we have taken equal to AC. So, AC by PR and equal to DE by CPCT, it is equal to BC. So, BC by QR. तो यही हमें प्रूफ करना था that AB by PQ equals to AC by PR equals to BC by QR. It implies that since angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R, and AB by PQ is equals to AC by PR equals to BC by QR. It implies that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, क्योंकि इन दोनों ट्रायंगल के सारे एंगल्स भी आपस में इक्वल हैं और साथ ही साथ इनके साइड्स भी इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में है. सो ट्रायंगल्स क्या है, सिमिलर है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया, एंगल एंगल एंगल. मीन्स इफ टू ट्रायंगल्स आर इक्विएंगुलर, they are similar to each other. I hope this theorem is clear to you. Now in the next video we will discuss theorem 2, that is SAS.